Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing? How are we doing? How are we doing? The video is still tanking, up 167% still. Alright, let's see, what else? What else wants to move? Hell of a trade, though. Hell of a trade on the video. Very straightforward. I guess for me, it was very straightforward. Um, Pretty much yesterday, we saw price action pretty much just pushing down on everything. You had it on ES, you had it on a lot of tech names, and then we had this clear as day drawn liquidity, like clear as day at this 183.92 level. And as you see today, pretty much we went straight down to it. Very straightforward, very simple setup. ES, NQ, chop, 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 chop. That's what the market's doing. So we took our CPS high, took up the low, and right now we're just chopping back and forth. So with that being said, I kind of rather just focus on common stocks. I like LMT, but the spreads are insane, 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 insane. And if you try to even purchase at the mid price, you're not getting filled. I tried, it wasn't working. So 650 calls, very nice trade, nice setup. Very likely we come and make a new high of the day at some point today. Very, very likely for LMT. Only thing downside to that is the spreads are horrific. Oplo. Oplo looks interesting. Alright, I guess we'll watch Oplo. Just because it's Lotto Friday and Oplo is very, very volatile. Very volatile. As of lately, at least. If this can close, get a 5-minute close above that trend line, we'll go long. And honestly, with NQ and ES chopping, I don't think the market really cares for its input. So if we can get this 5-minute close above this range, we'll take this, probably take some 67. Let me see. Oklo, Oklo, Oklo. Spreads are terrible. We have a better chance getting filled on these 66 calls. Because the spreads for the 67 calls are awful. Like, I would much rather just hit market on the 66 calls than trying to get filled on the spreads on the 67. And even then, if we do get the breakout, we would need to see, we would pretty much have to take out this high for us to see any type of profit. Because even once they go into money, we'll still pretty much be down. just because the spreads are terrible. But we'll see. You gotta wait for confirmation. So far, we're getting a slight rejection. ES NQ complete chop, NQ chopping, ES chopping. NQ is kind of bullish chopping. Um, ES is bearish chopping. As you can see, ES has not taken out data high. NQ has. It's just in a very tricky spot. Um, Based on the 5 minute, if we can close above 68.49, we should see some upside. Take out the data highs. If we close below 68.31, we see more downside. So kind of the best of both worlds here. And like I said, NQ is a little bit more bullish. Or at least it just looks better. Alright, let's see. 5 minute holding this range. Take it to the top of the range. This is just nasty price action. Like, even if we take a trade and win this, like, it's not an A+ setup whatsoever. Like, I'm more inclined to go long. Based on this 5 minute close and the retest here. It's just nasty. But I'll risk it. I'll risk it for the biscuit. SPX 68.32, 68. Now I'm having a very shitty entry. Tremendously shitty entry. Make sure this is right. Is ES not moving? Because the NQ is like ripping. $6,900 calls, currently going for 4 points. 4.7. $4.9. Alright, yeah, something's wrong with this. 6-8 just messed up. Because these are going for a lot more. Alright, I'm just gonna focus on my live personal account. 6-8 just messed up. Let's see. It's not the greatest of entries. Honestly, I'm gonna take Q's. Just because the entry is so bad. Like we get a good entry in the prop firm, but I need to get in this trade. 69. 69. Alright. We're in here. I'm in some SPX as well. Alrighty. Mm, 2.32. Alright, Q. What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? What do you wanna do? Q Q Q. Based on that 5 minute price action that we're getting right now, looks like we stall out here and do nothing for about 5 minutes, at least one 5 minute candle, and potentially expand the next one. It's kind of what it's setting up to do. The very least we do is push it to daily open, which if we go to daily open, we might as well take out high of the day. Might as well. And for ES, we might as well take out data highs. If we reject this range, that would be nasty. That'd be nasty work. But if we break out, we're gonna rock it. Like, literally, like see all this? See all this right here? Think of it like Mentos in a Coca-Cola bottle, right? And you cover the lid. And if price can break above this high, blast off, right? Right. To the moon. To the moon. Get some flames going. Yeah. Blast off. If we can break that level. Alright. That's the rocket ship. So far we're rejecting. We'll see. Oh, we're rejecting hard. And if we reject this hard, that would not be fun. Like pretty much if we don't break out of this range, I wouldn't recommend trading for the rest of the day. If we don't break out here within the next like 30 minutes. Because at that point, we're just going to chop all day and nobody likes trading chop. So far, good reaction. Nice reaction. We just need to see this reaction hold. But so far, so good. And I figured we were going to see a harsh pullback, mainly based on that 5 minute. The fact is that that 5 minute was like wonky. Like you see it, and it was going like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? That's pretty much like the market telling you that it's probably not gonna do what you want it to do. And now we're going all the way back down. Figured. So yeah, we're gonna have very shitty price action. Very shitty. Like this is good for futures, terrible for options. That's actually insane. And Ivy is just so damn high on these contracts. Let's see, what's Oklo doing? Oklo got the breakout. And you see what I mean? See what I mean with LMT? Like, it's such a beautiful stock to trade on Fridays. The spreads are just horrible. Like, you don't want to smack market. You do not want to smack market. Like, you literally want to take your chances on the mid price, and if you get filled, you get filled. Lucky. Um, Majority of the times, you're probably not gonna get filled at a mid price. Like if you smack market, oh yeah, you'll get filled. But let's just say, for an example, hey, we would have been in right around here. Even once you got in the money, you still probably wouldn't have been green. You literally would have had to take an out high of the day just for you to finally start making profits. But based on that hard rejection there on the 5 minute time frame, looks like we chop around even longer. Nasty close. Nasty close on ES. Good if you're short. That's a good close if you're short. If you're long, not a good close. Not a good close at all. Like if the market can just expand, like the draws are very clear as day, very easy. If price basically even closes it close to this range, we're gonna moon. Like literally like straight up, like nonstop. However, we're just stuck in this range. If we close below this range, we're gonna tank straight down to low of the day. And honestly, there's a lot of room. Like if we close below 31, there's a lot of room to go down to low of the day. It's like 20 points. If we can break above this high, there's a lot of room to the upside. Which is like 30 points. We just got to do something. So long above 860, short below 830. All right. I just put out a nice little message in a Discord. Um, read it, please. So yeah, right now we're just chopping. Nothing for us to do. Close above 860. Blast off. Close below 830. We tank. Either way, there's money to be made. We just gotta be patient. And hopefully this isn't one of those days where we stay in this entire range until like after lunch or something. Hopefully not. Hopefully this is one of those days to where we're done trading by 11. Hopefully. But considering the spreads are so crazy, like we're literally like this makes no sense. At the money is $2,600. Like insane. 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 Because I really do like calls here, but I don't like this position. Like, I don't like being that far out the money. It's just so unrealistic. Probably just take like 3 calls of 68, 70 calls. Sixty-eight, 90s. Alright, we're in these 68, 90s. Alright. Not too heavy. So far, so good. We're literally about to blast off. Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. We're about to blast off here. Straight to the moon. Are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Let's go. Volume low? Can you guys hear me? We should blast off here. Straight to the moon. Like, everybody should be in longs. Like, we're actually about to trim some. Now that I think about it. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Alright. Got off a trim here at 9.5 on SPX calls. We'll trim Qs here in a second. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Qs actually have a shit ton of contracts. Not really a shit ton. Alright, just took a trim here on Qs as well. Got for that 3.02. Alright, cool. See how easy it is to read price action? Are you guys learning that? Do you see how easy? Easy. Notice how I'm calling these things long before they happen. Long. Long before they happen. Price will literally show its hands. All you have to do is react. That's it. React. This is insane. Now we're about to blast off here to this level. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I just completely closed the video. All out in the video. All out. Completely. Benito. Hell of a trade. Alrighty. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's break these highs. Keep pumping. If this does start to slow down, we are going to see some type of retracement. But if this thing can keep running, like, I just want to see like a little bit more of a push. A little bit more. Basically, we got bottle service money for the weekend. It's a good way to look at Lotto Friday. Lotto Fridays, you want to go on a nice date, go on a weekend trip, something. Risk the capital and be disciplined. And if you have a good Friday, reward yourself. How far do we want to go? Really pissed about the spreads on LMT. This was such an easy setup. Very easy setup. Easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. But the spreads just had to be terrible. Come on, ES. We know where you want to go. Um, CRWV, what you thinking? Did you get in? CRWV. Let's go see where CRWV is. CRWV is fucking out of here. How far up can we go? Likely we're gonna go to 101. But high key, if you didn't get in, I wouldn't suggest you chase this. Like chasing this up here, suicide. On a Friday, suicide. Yeah. Like let's just say you got in when this candle was green. You're already down 40%. And yeah, the candle still has a minute left to close. Yeah. Let me see, let me see. The spreads were pretty ugly this morning. Was it on CRV? CRWV? I think so. I think it was that. Or was it CRM? Yeah, I was looking at CRM as well, and CRM spread this morning was ugly. Yeah, I mean, the spread's not terrible. It's like a $15 spread, $7 spread. It's not terrible. I've seen worse. What is the bull target? The bull target is 68.98. We are currently getting a hard rejection. Hmm. Regardless, we're still up about 1800. Even if this does pull all the way back. But I am gonna de-risk. I'm gonna go down 2 contracts. I'm gonna de-risk. And now we sit and hold. Could this be the breakout retest? It's possible. Definitely possible. Would be nice if it is. I just hope we don't start getting slow price action because we're still so far out the money that we can't afford slow price action. We need the big green candles. We need the explosive candles. We need that. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So far, buyers have been stepping in pretty aggressive when it's been time to. Like, you gotta remember, we got in all the way over here. And yeah, every time we shot down, they came right back and shot us right back up. Ed, yeah, we missed the trend line break. Ed, you see where Oklo is now? Right? Simple setup. Simple. You don't gotta overcomplicate trading. Literally, like could have got it on this down close candle, right? Taking this from here to here, you would have been up 100 and probably like 20%, 150%. Slight work. Ooh, doing nothing. MSTR, pumping. LMT, ripping even higher. Same with core weave. Yes, doing nothing. What's Z-Scaler doing? Jack shit. Meta, nothing. CRM did what it needed to do. CRM's spread this morning was just insane. Like, I loved the setup. The spreads were just terrible. And honestly, I don't know why the spreads are so terrible. Because it's normally not like that. Like CRM on a Friday, give you guys a little tip here. CRM on a Friday. Go to the chart. Go to the 195. Mark out whatever this candle did, right? Wait for a 5-minute close above it. Money. Every Friday. Money. All you gotta do is wait for a 5-minute close. Just straight money. Alrighty, ES, what are we doing? Big green candles coming on the way. It's not looking like it. Not looking like it. Kind of just chopping. Pretty choppy. We'll see. We'll see if the market wants to turn around here or not. We'll see. It's not a good close. Yeah, that might be the end of the run. We might chop around. The fact is that we're back in this range is not a good sign. Alrighty, what are we doing? Does QQQ go to 607? We have news too. What time is news? I don't want to leak any crazy information, so we'll go here. Um, where's the news? At 11? Okay. Well, we finally took out data highs. We could easily go back and take out the lows now. Alrighty, what are we doing? I'll log in. Alrighty. I mean, technically, we could still be bullish if we hold up 831. But apparently we have data at 11. So let's see what data wants to do here. Honestly, everything's kind of holding up. The fact is that we're only down 20%. Kind of a good sign, to be honest. Now buyers are stepping in again. All right. At this point, we want to see a close above 864. One minute left in this candle. Let's see. Just need to see it close above 64. Alrighty. A good recovery. All right, 4 minutes left on new candle. Let's see how we want to do. So far, the price action is disgusting. Oh, man. All right, 30 seconds left. Let's see. So far, nothing. Not give it, I'm on them to the day on what I be on. Stay spend the night in front of nigga home. They don't know what beat is, so let's take it in the song. So I don't know forever, and then I'm on. I'm proud again. And it's been I'm dying sweet. And you be playing to your mans end up dying again. We need to close above 864. Let's see if we can get the close. If we can get the close, we should just push up here and trend higher for the rest of the day. This close right here will pretty much tell us everything. If we can close above 64, we should just trend the rest of the day. Honestly, this isn't the worst price action. We've seen worse price action, I'd say, throughout this week. Alright, cool. We got the close. We should push higher from here. Beautiful close.
We just need to keep pushing higher so Theta doesn't kill these contracts. Honestly, Oklo not looking too bad. All right, what are we doing? Pretty much as long as we hold the daily open, we should see more upside here. If we don't hold it up, we will likely see some type of retracement. But overall, phenomenal day. Um, yeah, I think I'm calling it a day. 11. Yeah, I'm calling it a day. But overall, um, great day, great week. I'll see what the price action looks like later to pretty much keep you guys updated about Lotto Friday's SPX Power Hour, if we do it or not. So far this price action is hot ass, and hopefully it does get better. If it does get better, we will go live for Power Hour. If not, we will call it a weekend early. But overall, we had a phenomenal week. Please, 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 please go back, review your trades. Go back, rewatch the lives, understand why I get into trades, why I exit the trades, ask questions. Now's a great time to ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question, and I kind of don't expect you guys to be trading masters, safe to say. So if you have a question, just ask it. Um, volume, didn't read it. It's news for Russia. Volume, question mark. But yeah, we're likely just going to continuously chop. Um, Not ideal for trading. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your weekend. Um, I'm just gonna leave it at that. Not gonna speak on things just yet, but take care, everybody. Have a good one. You guys are very welcome. I will keep you guys updated. Let you guys know in the Discord.